If you're looking for the new Zenith watches for men based on specifications, you are in the right place. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos and press the bell icon button for my new videos notification. Number 9. Zenith Defi Collection Defy El Primero 21 Gold. Now, a day's price of this watch in US dollars is $48,300, but this will vary with time. Great piece, incredibly affordable, and just love this brand. Item shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp push button deployant buckle. Case material titanium. Case diameter 41 mm. Case thickness 9.45 mm. Band material leather. Band color brown. Dial color skeleton. Bezel material 18K rose gold. Special features transparent case back. Movement Zenith automatic self-winged. Water resistant depth 100 meters. Number 8. Zenith Men's Defy El Primero 2144 M Titanium Skeleton Watch 49.9 thousand. 9004/78. R582. Now a day's price of this watch in US dollars is $14,000, but this will vary with time. Excellent timepiece. Item shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp buckle. Case material ceramic. Case diameter 44 mm. Band material ceramic. Band color black. Dial color skeleton. Bezel material ceramic. Movement automatic. Water resistant depth 100 meters. It's a great watch. Number 7. Zenith Chronomaster Collection El Primero Range Rover. Now a day's price of this watch in US dollars is $7,700, but this will vary with time. What a nice watch it is! Item shape round. Dial window material type scratch resistant sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp type deployment clasp. Case material ceramic. Case diameter 42 mm. Case thickness 12.75. Band material perforated calfskin, leather rubber backed. Band width 18 mm. Band color ivory. Dial color brushed gray. Bezel material fixed. Bezel function stationary. Calendar date. Special features: chronograph, tachometer, column wheel, date, hour. Movement automatic. Water resistant depth 100 meters. Number 6. Zenith Chronomaster Revival Manufacture Edition. Now a day's price of this watch in US dollars is $8,700, but this will vary with time. Band material type leather. Watch movement Zenith automatic self-wind El Primero. Dial color white with black subdials. Band color black. Power reserve approximately 50 hours. Date at 4:30. Small seconds at 9 o'clock. Tachymetric scale. The return of a chronograph legend. The Chronomaster El Primero A384 Revival is a faithful reproduction of the very first Zenith watch to feature the El Primero high-frequency automatic chronograph caliber, paired with a black alligator leather strap. Item shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp steel buckle. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 37 mm. Band material leather. Band color black. Dial color white with black subdials. Bezel material stainless steel. Calendar date. Special features: power reserve approximately 50 hours. Movement Zenith automatic self-wind El Primero. Water resistant depth 50 meters. Number 5. Zenith Defi Classic Carbon. Now a day's price of this watch in US dollars is $12,261, but this will vary with time. This Zenith watch is marvelous and very easy to adjust. In-house elite skeletonized movement with silicone escape wheel and lever. 50-hour power reserve. Item shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp buckle. Case material black ceramic. Case diameter 41 mm. Band material rubber. Band color black. Dial color skeletonized. Bezel material black ceramic. Calendar date. Special features black ceramic. Movement Swiss automatic. Water resistant depth 100 meters. Number 4, Zenith Defi 0G. Nowadays price of this watch in US dollars is $60,470, but this will vary with time. Wow, what a great piece! Worth every penny. Item shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp titanium deployment. Display type analog. Clasp titanium deployment. Display type analog. Clasp titanium deployment. Band material titanium. Band color silver. Dial color gray skeleton. Bezel material titanium. Movement automatic. Water resistant depth 100 meters. Love this mechanical hand wound piece. Number 3, Zenith Defi Midnight. Nowadays price of this watch in US dollars is $4,988, but this will vary with time. Blue gradient dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band. Automatic movement. 100 meters / 330 feet water resistance. Fixed bezel. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Transparent caseback. Deployment with push button release clasp. Pull / push crown. Case size 36 x 10.35 m. Zenith 16.9200. 670/1. My One Defy Midnight Watch. Item shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp deployment clasp. Case material stainless steel. Band material stainless steel. Band color silver. Dial color midnight blue. Bezel material stainless steel set with diamonds. Calendar date. Special features elite movement frequency 28,800 VL 4AG. Movement Zenith automatic self-wind. Number 2, Zenith Defi Extreme Desert Ref 95.9200. 9004/77. I1. Nowadays price of this watch in US dollars is $9,999, but this will vary with time. The quality is really outstanding at this price point. Movement Primero. Components 293. Frequency 36,000 V, 5HE, power reserve min. 50 hours. 1/100th of a second chronograph. Central chronograph hand that makes one turn each second. 30-minute counter at 3 o'clock. 60-second counter at 6 o'clock. Chronograph power reserve indication at 12 o'clock. Hours and minutes in the center. Small seconds at 9 o'clock. Material tie and falcon's eye. Diameter 45 m. Water resistance 20 atm. Dial tinted sapphire with 3 beige-colored counters. Strap titanium bracelet. Number 1, Zenith Chronomaster Original E-Commerce Edition. Nowadays price of this watch in US dollars is $10,690, but this will vary with time. The watch itself is fantastic. Gorgeous dial. Movement Primero. Components 311. Frequency 36,000 V5HE. Power reserve approx. 60 hours. Material steel. Diameter 38 mm. Water resistance 5 atm. Dial silver with 3 different colored counters and special 1/10th of a second scale divided in 3 colors. Strap gray calfskin leather with special stitchings. Clasp stainless steel triple folding clasp. The watch is very accurate and comfortable, great wrist present.